today we're going to talk about how to operate a commercial zero turn and radius mower. There are several different machines out on the market. There's some variances in all of them. When you first get ready to use a zero turn radius mower, most of them today are going to come furnished with two things: a safety belt, just like what's in your car. The second item is called a ROPS. This device right here is called a rollover protection device. Always make sure this is up and is functioning properly before operating a mower. Now that we've got these two devices ready, now we want to start it up. Like with any machine, we need to make sure that the parking brake is up, the levers are out, you're sitting on the seat because there's a seat safety switch, the blade engagement clutch is off. If the engine is cold, put it on choke, half throttle, crank it up. As the engine warms up, slowly take the choke off. We recommend that you let it run for a couple of minutes so we get to the engine and the hydraulics up to temperature. So here we go. We got it running. We're taking the choke off. The parking brake is off. I'm going to lower the deck to the proper cutting height that I've already selected. We're going to engage the blades at half RPM. You hear the blades are engaged. Now we're going to go to full throttle. Pull the levers in. Now that we've got the engine up and running and we're ready to mow grass, we need to adjust the cutting height to the property. Most ZTRs are going to have some form of how to adjust it, but they're usually going to be pretty similar to this manufacturer. What you want to do is remove the pin, pick your desired cutting height. And on this machine, it mows from 1 inch to 5 inch in 1/4 inch increments. The property that we're at today filming, we're going to be mowing at about 2.5 inches. So you're going to stick your pin back in here. That locks. We're going to push this lever down, pull this back, and it lowers the deck. And we're ready to start mowing. Simply take the levers and push them forward for forward. When you want to turn left, pull back on this one. If you want to turn right, pull back on this one. Find neutral. If you need to go to reverse, just simply pull back. When we're ready to stop mowing, get to your desired location and stop. Take these levers, pull them out. Idle the engine down to half throttle. Disengage the blades. Pull your parking brake up. Turn the engine off. This particular model has what we call a transport location. We highly recommend that you do that. And what you do is simply push this down, pull this lock back, and what that does is raise the cutting deck up so we're not going to be gouging the property with the gauge wheels or digging into the turf as we're loading it or scratching the curb or the stones on the property. And then you're ready to load the machine up or store it properly.